Hey, what's up guys? Today I have my 2020 COVID season everyday carry, also known as EDC. Before we get started, please like and subscribe. It really motivates me to continue making good quality for you. So off the bat, I have my mask. My mask is a P100 mask by 3M. I really enjoy this mask. I picked it up right before COVID and I can say I'm happy with my purchase. The next thing is my headphones. I always keep headphones, even since I was a kid. Now this model is some cheap Bluetooth headsets that give good quality and have a long playtime. My wallet is a slim clip that was gifted to me by my grandfather. I have it engraved with my name and a quote from my grandfather, which is, "Think of when you had none." I know, I'm behind on the times, my iPhone X/10 or whatever you want to call it. But I really do enjoy how it pairs well with my Apple Watch. This thing has really grown on me and I love the activity tracking it provides. So here's my key setup. My keys are pretty basic. The only thing different is that I have a CPR face shield on my keys. I keep my home and car keys separate, but the face shield rides on my home keys and is there just in case. You never know what the day will have in store for you. Really good divider between you and an individual who you're giving CPR to. My gym keys do separate from my house keys. Not really unique there, but something. I do not smoke, but I always have a Ronson Jet Light Butane torch lighter. You never know when one may become handy. I'm a Mason and take great pride in the work my fellow Masonic brothers do, especially for the Shriners Hospital for Children. Donation link in bio. Here are my car keys, pretty basic, nothing too amazing about that. My less than lethal is my POM OC Spray. This stuff is nasty and I highly recommend it. As you already know from my last video, I carry a late model P365. I love this gun. I love how small yet controllable the firearm is. The 10-round double stack magazine is also a reason for me liking this gun over something like the Glock 43. My carry ammo is the HST 147 grain. But I keep full metal jacket in the chamber so I don't text myself.
I just shot myself.
So I carry my P365 in a Grayguns AIWB holster. This holster allows for deep concealment and is quite comfortable. I often carry a spare magazine with a picking extension. Rides in a IWB PHLster Flex magazine pouch. The whole setup is very comfortable. Now, no EDC is complete without a good gun belt to balance it all out. I went with the tejas, I'm not quite sure if I'm pronouncing that right, gun belt from Magpul. I've had it for about 3 years and it's still going strong. I highly recommend this belt. The final item that I usually carry is going to be my ankle IFAK. I often carry a Wilderness Tactical Ankle IFAK. Link in the description gives you a $5 discount. In my ankle IFAK, I'm carrying chest seals, decompression pins, shears, clot gauze, and other trauma kit items. It's very comfortable, and I often forget I even am carrying it. Really thank you guys for watching. Please do like and comment, and let me know what you guys are thinking about my setup. You guys have a good one. Take care.